summer is the worst time for me when it comes to my hair. I don't want to straighten it because I've gotten my curls back again, at least because I already did it last week, but I don't want to do it again because it's getting so long. I want to see how long I can get it. Because I have some wigs, I'm gonna try out the wigs today and see what happens. I'll just brush it. Oh, nice. The hair is on. It's called a headband wig. So this is what I wear when I don't know what to do with my hair. I just put on the wig and we call it a day. Lashes are on. Done. This is the fit. I can't even tell. I don't even know what I'm wearing. Welcome to my unhealthy fridge. Yeah, I have to do this because our water machine broke. I just had one of these. It was good. Quick little change. All the things that I did, oh, I could call you mine. Oh my God. Lo hicimos. We did it. Da, 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 da. Good morning. Something happened today. Nails that I recreated, which are these white star French tip, they're actually a recreation from an influencer, like a fashion, I feel like I would describe it like more like a fashion model luxury type of influencer, because she always wears like the cutest outfits. So this is her name is Sammy. I don't know how, but her name is Sammy. I can't pronounce her last name. I'm so sorry. I have been following her since I was like in college. Like she was the reason why I would wear a bunch of scarves on my head, because I loved the way that she would style it. And now I have a lot of wigs because I love the way she styles it. And she's just the cutest. Look at her. Look at her. Okay. This is one of her nail. Like who the artist was, her nail artist. And I literally had to investigate to find who it was. And they're actually Bambi Nails. So she is a celebrity nail artist in London, okay? And I was just so obsessed with all of their nails. Like look at her nails. Look at her nails, look at her nails. More of the story is that I've been obsessed with them for a bit, and I just wanted to challenge myself with using more of the chrome powders that I have. And this is what I woke up to. You see that right here? They both liked my picture. And Bambi Nails commented on my picture. But I just feel like, wow, like I did the nails justice. That's all that matters. Like, oh my gosh, like thank you so much for even taking the time to look at the photo. I know you guys probably have like way other cooler things to do with your lives than go look at this small, not even an influencer, this small nail artist that just started her journey. Like this is crazy. Like wow, thank you so much for the love on this look, on these nails. I was not expecting it at all. So that I posted, and yeah, starting off my morning with a good cup of coffee and just staying focused, bro. Like keep going. I want to see how far or how better I can get by the end of the year, because I started in January. Like I started nail like painting, but not like extensions and stuff. But still, wow, I have no words. This just happened. I'm trying to censor my nipples this real quick. Took a rest day yesterday and we're going to the gym tonight, so that's why I'm drinking my water. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Let's get this day started. And yes, I have a gansito because I wanted one. I fucked up one of them because I didn't let the gel cure long enough with the chrome. But I didn't like this one either way because it was just too thick. But I mean, I'm still gonna post it even if it's just these three because I like the chrome and how it looks. And I just want to post it for like accountability for myself too, that, you know, it takes time, it takes practice, and I just have to. I love how the chrome looks though. Look at that. Oop, look at mine right there. Anyways, so yeah. So I found out that instead of using a tight brush like this one, instead of using this brush to put on the chrome, I used a little feathery one and then just kind of brushed it onto the foil gel that I used, which is this one. And it actually worked better. It didn't get as much on the other colors of the gel, which is nice because that's what happened with this one, where you can kind of see the chrome on the white, and on here you don't really see it on the color, which is nice, except right here, just right there a little bit. Me pasé. See, I could have gone a little more right here too. Anyways, the whole point of the process is to practice and to just keep going, even though I'm not too happy with these. So
for $45. I was splurging. Not worth it.
baby. So we're hearing some noises, like people screaming. And Evelyn went to go see what the fuck it is. I don't know what the fuck it is. I don't know what's going on. Peep the clouds. Peep the clouds, though.
Well, they like stop screaming for a little bit, and then it's almost like someone's putting a bug on them or something. Like.
Alright, so I just got back from all the stuff. And I ended up getting my friend's birthday gift. Workout clothes. And I got her a candle. So hopefully she likes it. No, I think we're good. What the fuck, dude? Don't be a jerk. Don't be an asshole. Go get some food because I'm starving and because I don't feel like cooking. So let's go get some food. Yo. Gracias. Gracias, tenga buen día. We got the food. Oh my god, the baby came out. It's this one.
Oh, that's so cute. I see
It's
it.
like a little baby one.
I see it. I don't know if you guys can see it.
It's so cute.
Do not screw with the rhythm. Back regulators.
Who needs Starbucks? Babe, try this. Try this.